Now's the time to get your backyard or patio ready for summer with a beautiful new gas fire table from Crosse Fireplace Company. We have many new styles to choose from and the biggest fire table selection in the area. Relax with friends and family and enjoy the convenience of a beautiful outdoor table with the warm glow of a hassle-free fire. Find the right fire table for your outdoor living space right now. Convenient hassle-free campfires right at home from the people who know fire. Crosse Fireplace Company, because your place is outside by the fire.